With the Documents app, you can store all your documentation for the office, management systems, drawings, anything you can think of, including site documentation, job packs, and they're all under the 9001 criteria, the ISO 9001 document control and data control criteria. It's a great tool to use in the site in the office so that workers don't have to come in and out, or you can load up the information in the office and they can access it through site using their tablets and using their mobile phones. And it's all under document control, revision history, version history is controlled automatically, and send you notifications once the document is about to be reviewed or expires. So you click on the blue icon on the left that says Documents, and in that you can have all the tabs for all the documents. You click on Add New Document, and then you select the document folder, for example, Procedures, and then you put in the document name. You don't have to put a document name because you can just copy the name in the file. You attach the actual document that you wanted to attach, and then you put in any details you'd like, doc number, version date, next revision date, so that it notifies you 4 weeks before the review date would be, the location of the document, the status, whether it's in current, review, development, the expiry date of the document, so that you can receive a notification 4 weeks prior to the expiry date. Then obviously all the ISO 9001 requirements are being fulfilled by using this document module. Author, reviewer, approver role, and you click on Add Document, which will result in a documents register like this one. So for example, objectives and targets, org structure, audit schedule, the management system manual, for example. Everything is stored in one central location electronically, as you can see. And then you can also do a multi-document upload from administration if you've got administration access. You click on multi-document upload, document type, procedures. You put in the location if you'd like, the review date if you'd like, author, reviewer. You click add document type. Before that, you click on select files to upload. You can select multiple files to upload, and then you click on add document type.